In the previous video, we shared our journey from Delhi to our stay at Nature's Wellness Resort, a peaceful retreat nestled in the hills where we relaxed and enjoyed the serene atmosphere after a long drive. The next morning, after checking out, we visited the Nainital Tea Garden, also known as Shamkhet Tea Garden, located near Boveri on the way to Ramgarh. Surrounded by lush green hills and beautifully maintained tea plantations, ये बगीचा वाकई प्रकृति की गोद में सुकून भरा पल बिताने के लिए एकदम सही जगह था. The entry fee was just ₹20 per person. Inside the garden, we came across a local lady offering traditional Kumaoni and Assamese-style costumes with just ₹100. It made for some fun photo-clicking opportunities amidst the vibrant greenery of the tea bushes. There was also a small, charming cafe tucked inside the garden, a peaceful spot to sit and enjoy the view. With wooden seating, potted plants, and a breezy setup, it had a cozy hill station vibe. We also had Maggi, green tea, and chai there. Before leaving, we explored the small tea shop nearby and purchased some tea powder, which was priced around 1,200 per kilogram. From there, we continued our journey to the famous Golu Devta temple located in Gorakhpur. This temple is located in Gorakhpur, which is dedicated to Golu Devta, the revered god of justice in the Kumaoni region. यह मंदिर अपनी हजारों पीतल की घंटियों के लिए प्रसिद्ध है, जो भक्त अपनी मन्नतें पूरी होने पर बांधते हैं. Many visitors also leave handwritten petitions seeking justice or blessings. The temple also offers breathtaking views. Next, we visited the scenic and serene Sattal, meaning 7 lakes. Beyond its natural beauty, Sattal offers water sports like kayaking, ziplining, and boating. After Sattal, we made a short detour to Garudtal. Though quiet and peaceful at first glance, the lake carries a mysterious reputation. इस झील से जुड़ी कई रहस्यमयी कहानियां हैं, इसलिए इसे राक्षस ताल भी कहते हैं. We took a safe circuit along the shoreline, absorbing the serene atmosphere. From there, we moved on to Nal Damayanti Tal, another hidden gem in the Sattal cluster. This lesser-known lake is famous for its larger fish species, making it a peaceful spot for nature lovers. The surroundings are quiet and perfect for a slow walk or just sitting beside the water, watching fish ripple beneath the surface. Next, we stopped for lunch at New Dobati restaurant. The place looked simple from the outside, but turned out to be a hidden gem. We sat by the balcony, which offered a stunning view of the hills and valleys. खाना बहुत ही स्वादिष्ट और घर जैसे लगा, बिल्कुल सादा लेकिन दिल को भा जाने वाला. The meal felt homemade, comforting and perfect after a long day of exploring. We then visited Kamal Tal, which is occasionally dotted with lotus flowers during blooming season. Right across the road from Kamal Tal lies now Kuchidia Tal, the Lake of 9 Corners. From there, we drove to Hanuman Ghari, which is a temple dedicated to Lord Hanuman. Our next stop was the Monima Ashram, home to a humble and deeply spiritual disciple of Neem Karoli Baba. The ashram radiated silence and serenity. Sitting there for a few moments felt grounding and peaceful, like stepping out of time for a while. After a full day of exploring, we reached our night stay at Ridge, the Lake Hill in Bhimtal. The property is perched on a hill station with a beautiful panoramic view of Bhimtal Lake and the surrounding green valley. It was perfect location to unwind. However, our experience at the hotel had a few hiccups. The bed linens had visible stains and basic amenities like toothbrushes were missing, which was a bit disappointing. But to their credit, the staff eventually replaced them, and that responsiveness was appreciated. After settling in, we headed out in the evening for paddle boating at Bhimtal Lake. शाम के आसमान के नीचे शांत पानी में बोटिंग करना किसी जादुई अनुभव से कम नहीं था. For dinner, we went to the Lake Hill restaurant, a branch of the property we were staying at. The ambience was warm and welcoming, with soft lighting and gentle music. The food was delicious, and to top it all, a magician performed live tricks while we waited. A fun and delightful surprise that made the evening extra special.
Give me a both hands. Give me a both hands. And throw the neck like a sandwich. Very nice. So, like a sandwich. I'll use one more card. See here what I have. This is the joker, okay? And you will have to feel it. Just feel it. I do like this. Thank you. Out of 3 coins. If I simply take one. Alright. Goes to my pocket. So for now, open in my hand. Right. Spike now. Now open in my hand. Let's look at that. Okay, come here.
Finally, on our way back to the room, we stopped for a comforting cup of hot tea.